Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ashley, welcome. Today I have something a little special for you. I am going to be sharing with you my dirty little secret, and that dirty little secret of mine is a cluttered guest bedroom closet. If you've been here a while, you're probably thinking, Ashley, where are you at? Because I am usually downstairs when I do my cleaning, organizing, decorating videos. But today I came upstairs because that is where I am hoarding random stuff, is in the guest bedroom closet, which is where I'm at now. I'm in the guest bedroom. Also, today's video is in collaboration with my Instagram and YouTube friend, Michaela at AfterTap. She is phenomenal, y'all. Oh my goodness, you have to go check her YouTube and her Instagram out. It is amazing. She has the most amazing tips. She is so organized in how she delivers her content, and so you guys have to check her out. She has a lifestyle motivation channel, and let me tell y'all, she has some of the best tips and hacks. She's so sweet and has a gorgeous home, so y'all will have to go check her out. I will link her YouTube channel and her Instagram handle in the description box below, as well as her dirty little secret video that she's doing today. That specific video will also be linked in the description down below. So once you're done watching this video, you'll have to go check her out. If you're coming over from AfterTap, hello and welcome to my channel. I do homemaking style videos such as cleaning motivation, organization, home decor, and a few DIYs here and there as well. And I would love for you to join my YouTube community by hitting that subscribe button down below. So welcome, and y'all, let's get started. All right, y'all, so this is the guest bedroom. So it's a little different in here. I call it my black and white room. I have cactus, succulents, and so yeah, it's a little bit different than the rest of the house, but I love it. This right here I just put up here, and you might be saying, Ashley, you're decluttering. Why would you bring stuff up to a room you're decluttering? And that's because I'm going to hopefully be able to fit it in the closet that I'm going to show you here in a second, but I just thought out of curiosity y'all might want to see the guest bedroom. And so here it is. Let's see if I can get you kind of a better, trying to see if I can get you a little bit better view of the room. Now, this all looks nice. So this is all nice, right? Well, doop. I have some overflow. Yeah, I'm overflowing here, guys. You can see why I need to declutter. I have pillows, blankets, sleeping bags, just random boxes. This is not for decoration. I had just put it there to get it out of the way because I couldn't find a place for it in here, or I just didn't hang it up. I don't know. I forgot about it. I hardly come up here. A blow-up bed, a blow-up ball, beach ball, and a TV that is actually a perfectly good TV that's working. I guess we were gonna do something with it and it just stayed in the closet. Some more suitcases. So yeah, I just gotta come in here and I've got to get this decluttered. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show you a little overview of how it looks now, and then I'm gonna jump right in and start to declutter. And I almost always find the best way to organize a space like this is to pull everything out so you can get a better look. Also, I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments below if you have a space in your home that is your dirty little secret. Let me know what that space is, and I'm gonna challenge you to clear that space out. If you do end up cleaning out that space, take a before and after picture and tag me on Instagram. I'll share it to my stories.
Before we collide, let's make it last forever. I'm ready to fly. Before we collide, and when the sun don't shine on you, just heat it up.
All right, y'all, so I know this doesn't matter to some, and to some it does, but I did want to apologize for the lighting in advance. This room has two different color-toned light bulbs, one in the closet and one in the guest bedroom. And then it's such a small bedroom that I had to face the camera towards the window for certain angles, and so it just cast this weird shadow. So yeah, it probably doesn't even matter to some of y'all, but I still had to throw that out there and apologize for the lighting in advance. Okay, so it's pretty much cleared out, but I have a mess in the guest bedroom. So I'm going to tackle that. And basically, I'm just going to take a look at everything I have and put them in a categorized piles. So in one pile, I'll have what I want to keep. One pile will be a donate pile, and the other pile will be what I want to sell. So everything that's left over, I'll put back in the closet in a more organized manner. My goal is to have one side where it's storage and then the other side that's closest to the door when you walk in available for guests to hang their clothes and or put their suitcases. So I'm just categorizing all of that now. Y'all, I always feel like the hardest part of decluttering a space is figuring out what you want to keep and what you want to do with the stuff that you do want to keep. Let me know in the comments below, what do you find the hardest part of decluttering and organizing a space in your home?
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got
I have a closet downstairs where I put a lot of my seasonal decor, so I decided I was going to take all of the decor out of this bin and put the decor I wanted to keep in the closet downstairs and then sell the rest of the decor that I don't want to keep. Then I can use this bin to put all of the toys in because the basket that all of the toys are in now is overflowing. We do not have kids, but we do have these toys for whenever our friends who do have kids come over. This really comes in handy.
'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know.
Also, I kind of wanted to throw out and let y'all know that at the beginning of this year, I did a extremely dramatic closet transformation in my office upstairs. I almost forgot I had done that. And so if you guys are looking for like a just dramatic transformation, I will link that video in the description box below so that you can check that out.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good, something good.
Okay, so the rest of this stuff I'm either going to donate or sell. So I'm just going to put the donations in the back of my Jeep and the items that I want to sell in the downstairs hallway so that way I can take pictures of them to put online and get ready to sell.
Something good.
All right, time for the reveal. Here are the before and afters. All right, y'all, I hope today's video gave you some motivation to get a space in your home organized. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps my channel out so much and helps me know what types of videos you enjoy. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to head over to AfterTap's channel and check out her dirty little secret video. She's been telling me about it, so I am so excited to go check that video out myself. And she's going to have a dramatic transformation for y'all over there as well. So go check that video out. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.